Former Philippine Defense Secretary Norberto Gonzales expressed concern over the slow progress of the investigation into the flood control scam. He said this is a clear indication that the current administration will neither admit nor apologize for its shortcomings. Almar Forzuelo has the story.
Amid calls to hold those involved in the flood control scam accountable, former Congressman Zaldico and former House Speaker Martin Romualdez remain free and without charges. Names that have been mentioned multiple times in the investigation, according to former Department of National Defense Secretary and former presidential candidate Norberto Gonzales, the slow progress of the investigation is merely an indication that the current administration knows their actions are wrong, which is why they are allegedly covering it up.
Ang nililinaw lang yan, itong gobyerno natin ngayon, alam nila ang ginagawa nila na mali. At ang gusto nila, hindi para sabing, sorry, nagkamali, patawad. Hindi yun. Ang gusto nila, mapagtakpan at maituloy ang kanilang ginagawa.
Gonzales further added that the administration seems to be repeating the history of the Marcos family.
Alalahanin natin, buong daigdig ikinondem yung pangungurakot ng tatay ng presidente natin. Nakarinig ka ba ng isang salita na humihingi ng paumanhin ang pamilya Marcos sa lipunang Pilipino? Humingi na ba sila ng paumanhin? Paumanhin lang, hindi patawad. Nakadigirig ka na ba? Hindi.
Because of this, Gonzales expressed concern that the country might once again experience the same painful fate under the same family.
Sinasabi nga ng Pangulo natin, kinakausap niya pa yung tatay niya kasi gusto niya sundin yung mga ginawa ng tatay niya dati. Anong ibig sabihin yan? Anong klase pangungurakot ang gagawin niya? Gagayahin niya tatay niya eh.
The former secretary also criticized the administration for silencing its critics.
At yung sinasabi mong excessive force na ginamit doon sa mga nagre-reklamo at nagiging parang oposisyon, indikasyon niya na itong gobyerno na to, hindi hihingi ng tawad yan, hindi tatanggap ng kasalanan yan.
Despite the investigations and the public's outcry, the question remains, when will those behind the flood control scam be held accountable? For God and my beloved Philippines, Almar Forzuelo, SMNI News.